Guess what day it is? It's unboxing day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Brothers and Bolts. So today we got a really special episode for you. We got parts to unbox. I know everybody likes seeing unboxing videos, so figured I'd show you our pile of parts that we got here. We got a box from Texas Speed. Love those guys out there. A few boxes from Rock Auto. And then we got a transmission cooler here from Mishimoto. Now, admittedly, I did unbox this one because I was too excited to see it. But in here we got some lines, fittings, stuff to secure it with, and then check out the transmission cooler itself. This is a 20-inch. Should work really well for the 4L60 that I've got for it. Not going to be running a ton of power at first, but these guys are actually sponsoring us, so I figured, well, what the hell, we'll just throw it on there. But let's keep going here. Get Mishimoto out of the way. I know y'all want to see this. Oh my god, I love Texas Speed parts. Stickers. Honestly, I only bought from Texas Speed so that I could get their stickers. Love their stickers. That's going on the truck. What do we got here? These could be the push rods, I think. Let's see. Yep. Texas Speed push rods. These are the standard length 7.4s. Can't wait to get those guys into place. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Set that aside. And we'll get onto this one. Let's see. What is this one? GM parts. This might be... Okay, hang on. I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up on the tripod, and I'll be right back. Tear into this stuff. This is GM Performance box. Oh, this is the high flow oil pump I got for us. Here we go. Yeah, I can't wait to slap that on there. Try to replace the old one. Why not? We're already in there, you know. Double roller timing belt. Yeah, that's a nice looking piece of kit there. That's from Roller Master. Texas Speed was just having a big deal.
The old one.
Oh, okay, yeah, there you go. See, there's a comparison between the old one now. That'd be nice to get that on there. Probably didn't really need it, because again, we're not making a crazy amount of power on this first build, but it'd be nice to have for later on. Here's the springs. Let's check the springs out. Oh yeah. 660 lift springs. And then we've got us new seals, new valve seats, and titanium retaining plates. So those will look sick. We got to bring those out to the machinist who's doing our heads so that he can go ahead and install those for us. And now the crown jewel of this box, the cam. This is a 224, 228 with a 600 lift and a 110 LSA. Here's the spec cards for it. I'm going to check that out. And our new cam. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in the bag for now. So there isn't really any reason to open this until after we have the blocks back.
Merch.
Oh my god.
No, that's the crown jewel.
We got Texas Speed keychain. That is going on the keys. Badass. Okay, so there's that box. That's everything from Texas Speed, or should be everything from Texas Speed. Let's take a look. Yep, that's it. Pick this back up real fast. So here's one box from Rock Auto. These are just head bolts. I didn't go for ARP stuff because I don't plan to have the heads on and off, but that's just a complete set of head bolts from Molly there. That's just for one head. And then I've got the second set in here. And all new, let's see, I think these were connecting rod bearings. Let's look. No, these are the crankshaft bearings. So they package those really nice. Okay. That box can go. Here's a set of pistons. We went ahead and replaced them because the old ones are just old and crusty looking, and I figured we may as well just put in all new stuff. So here's our new set of pistons. These actually, they have this coating on the skirts. I assume to reduce friction or to reduce heat. But they're just a set of standard size pistons. Now I made the mistake of ordering these before I brought the block out to the machinist, so I'm really hoping he doesn't call us and say, hey, we need to bore this out.
Well, you still need to bring the cam bearings in.
Oh, that's true. I gotta bring the cam bearings out there too. So that's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pistons. Same stuff. And then the big box. This one has new not cam bearings. These are connecting rod bearings. Nice new shiny looking bearings. There are 8 sets of those here. Those are all CLEVITEs. If you can see that there, yeah, there you go. And our new cam bearings. I gotta bring these out to the machinist that's doing the block so that he'll have them and he can go ahead and reinstall them in there. Because I don't know how to do it. I don't even know how to pull the old ones out. Again, CLEVITEs. And this is our complete gasket kit.
Jeez, they even gave you an exhaust donut?
Is that what that is? Okay. I didn't know what that was.
Yeah, exhaust donut.
I don't know what that is. Is that a rear main seal?
Looks like rear main seal and the plastic is keeping its shape. Maybe.
Oh, okay. You can push that out of there?
Yeah.
Okay. I won't do that now. Bag full of various bits and bobs.
Water pump.
You can see the water pump gaskets there. Looks like the front main seal there. I'm not sure what gasket that is for. If you guys, here, I tell you what, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open this up. You guys tell us in the comments what these gaskets are. Wrong answers only. So we got some plastic donuts and
that's for the valve covers.
Mini toilet plungers.
Right.
We don't know what those are for at all, actually.
EGR tube.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. You can tell by the material.
EGR tube?
Mm-hmm. So we're probably not even going to use those.
Oh, okay, I was going to say, we're going to delete that.
Mm-hmm.
Here, they gave us stock valve seals. Mm-hmm. Not going to use those. I'll use the Texas Speed stuff. Okay, that's for the vent tube.
Those look like pop can tabs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay. Second set of valve seals. More plastic donuts. I don't know what that's for.
Another exhaust thing. Probably EGR mount.
Okay. Drop a comment below if you know what that goes to.
More water pump.
Water pump gaskets there.
More water.
Water pump gaskets. And that one. A couple of large O-rings. I'm not sure what those are for. Front main seal. Any of you guys recognize what gaskets those are? I have no idea.
Exhaust or the oil cooler on the bottom of the ball.
Oh, okay.
Oil cooler hoses.
All right. Well, anyway, there's
I
that
was
bag.
a parts guy.
Oh, that's right.
I worked at Chevy.
Cathedral port intake manifold gaskets.
That's how.
I don't remember pulling the old one off.
We didn't,
Are
because
they
if you
still
look
on?
at them, ours don't have these little plastic casings.
Mm-hmm.
On ours, it was just the.
Okay, fair enough.
You can't see. It was just the seal itself placed.
All right. New cam retaining plate. Exhaust manifold gaskets.
I'll give you one guess what those are.
Valve cover gaskets.
Yeah.
We got another layer here that goes to the rear cover. Valley gasket, new oil pan gasket, and then new head gaskets. I opted not to go with that copper head gasket idea because, again, I'm not going to be tearing the heads off of this thing anytime soon.
If you look at the quality of these versus what we pulled off, these are much nicer anyway.
Mm-hmm.
These will be just fine.
So, anyway, that's all we got for parts. Motorcycle. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to have you guys part of the Brothers and Bolts family. Talk to you then.